So you're on the TimU app and you're about to buy these awesome looking set of wireless Bluetooth earphones here or earbuds, and they're really affordable, great price. I personally got mine for around $7 at the time here, and you're curious to know how they actually look instead of this right here. Well, I'm here to share with you today that it's here, and this is what it's going to look like. No box, nothing like that. That's why they're super cheap, so don't expect anything fancy. And out of the little package itself here, you're gonna get these here. That's how they actually look. Comes with a USB-C charging cable here, a USB charging port, no wireless charging, so don't you expect that. Let's go ahead and remove these guys here. And for me, out of the package itself, they look like they were touched or somewhat fingerprints on them. I haven't used them yet, and this is exactly how they look out of the package. And this is not airwax. For some odd reason, that's just how they were when I got them. So kind of ew, but it is what it is. All right, so we'll take them out here. You'll notice they'll start flashing after you take them out for the first time here. That's how they look. This is the other side here. And when you place it back in the case in itself, it's going to light up for you, giving you the battery reading as to the percentage of it. Okay, so I fully charged these not too long ago. It'll state whether it's the right side and the left side for you. Okay, so basically it's just the whole lights that's going to make these look awesome. And I think it's kind of cool to walk around with something like that here. If you're into colorful lights, then that's for you. I personally, after getting this here in person, not so hot, okay? If you're pairing these up for the very first time, make sure they're actually touching the charging pins and then remove them both together at the same time, all right? So as you take them out together here, they'll sync into each other here, and then you'll turn it on. It's gonna start searching for nearby devices on your Android phone. It's gonna show up as X15. So just wait for it. It's gonna enter into pairing mode in a moment here, and you'll see it show up as X15, all right? So just hold on. So you'll see X15 here. Tap on it. It's going to say pairing. You'll get the pairing request. Wait for it. You'll press on pair. And it's going to tell you that it's connected, gives you the battery percentage, and there's a little voice prompt that's going to say connected. These do have auto reconnect, but again, being that the product is so cheap, make sure when you're placing these back inside, they're going to touch the charging pins and make sure they light up like that. That's to indicate that they are touching the charging pins, and then take them out together at the same time so that they can reconnect automatically. So it does have the auto reconnect. Cool vibes all the way. And of course, these don't come with any sort of guide in the pack once again, so you'll just have to try to figure out what's what. All right, so let's dive into the controls, I guess. So I do apologize to be the bearer of bad news, but for the touch controls here, I've been trying the double tap, triple tap, and nothing seems to work except for play and pause. So a single tap will give you the play and pause, and they are not responding as they should. So I probably got myself a defective one, maybe, I don't know here. You can see it just answered, reply to the whole play and pause here. Okay, so far for controls, kind of bad. A while ago, I was able to access the voice assistant here by long pressing one of them, but for some odd reason, this time around, it doesn't do that. Okay, so touch controls, I gotta say, you're gonna be disappointed for the most part. Okay. Get ready for a loud sound test. Here we go. For the most part, it gets loud, but at high volumes, it sounds distorted and there's no bass. So bass lovers, I'm sorry, you're not gonna get any bass, okay? Now for a call test.
Here, so I'm using a Samsung phone, the S23 Ultra. They are connected with the X15, and you are the judge. You let me know how it sounds. The phone that you're currently viewing is the phone that's receiving the call while I'm using the X15. Okay, it's on speaker mode, so you can tell me how it sounds. Does it sound clear or not? And yeah, hopefully that gave you an idea of the call quality.
So to wrap this video up, basically coming to a verdict, these are quite okay for the most part, depending on how much you actually paid for them. One of my biggest complaints is the placement of them in the case itself. I found that you'll sometimes need to really make sure the pins are touching and they are actually charging, okay? The battery percentage or the battery reading is not accurate all the time, as they may say 100%, and then sometimes they just drop to another percent, and then when you place them back again, it says 100%. So these are things to just keep an eye out for when you have them, and the fact that they look like what you're buying, but in actual life, they're not as smooth as they were advertised, okay? But all in all, a great set. And being that these are affordable and cheap, I'd say these are gonna be great for buying for your kids as a present instead of having them as something premium for the long run, okay? But that's that. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? If you have yours, are they great or not? And like, sub, thanks for watching.